So, if you're a buyer of real estate and you found the home of your dreams, and you're thinking of financing it, odds are your real estate agent, if they have not done it yet, is going to direct you in the way of a local proven lender that's actually going to get your loan across the plate. Not just get it into the processing part, but have it come out the other end. It's like this big hot dog machine where you put the meat in the top and somebody cranks it, it's got to come out the other end. And what we're finding with a lot of these larger banks is it doesn't come out the other end. It goes in there and it just ruminates around and spends a month or two in underwriting, asking for ridiculous checks, double checks, etc. And it doesn't come out the other end. So I've got a listing right now, and it's painful, absolutely painful. Seller's already signed one extension for the mortgage commitment to come through, and we've got about 48 hours left, and just had a call finally for the appraisal. So I don't think that it's going to come. And what I want to tell you, the buyer that's thinking of financing a mortgage, is that you can choose a lender that a real estate agent says is proven. I've got lenders I know that won't even take a loan. They won't even start unless they have 100% certainty that it's going to close. You can choose one of those, or you can choose to use whomever you want. It's a total crapshoot. And we are in a crapshoot right now with a property that is probably not going to close, and the seller is probably not going to sign a second extension. So what you as a buyer have to realize is you can take about $1,000 in home inspections and mortgage applications and appraisals and anything else, application to the homeowner association. There's a squirrel behind me. Um, and you can pile all that money up in the driveway of the home you want to buy and just set it on fire. That's what we're dealing with here. You need to use a preferred lender that actually closes the loans, not takes your money, not puts it through processing, not gives everybody the runaround, but who actually has a history of 100% success closing loans. I have them. A real estate agent down the street has got them. Every agent I know has them. Ones that they can count on. And here I am watching a condo go down in flames, costing the buyer probably $1,000, $1,200, and because they wouldn't take their real estate agent's advice, they wouldn't take my advice telling their real estate agent advice. So in the very end, they're going to have a bitter experience buying real estate. Things aren't going to go well for them. They're going to blame everyone else. That finger's going to point at me, but three fingers are going to be pointing back at their real source. And it's not fair, but it has to do with all of the changes that have happened after the housing crisis, how strict underwriting has gotten, and also the efficiency of the people that are processing the loan. So all I can tell you is, please, for the love of all things holy, listen to the real estate agents and use someone they recommend unless you want to burn $1,000.